Hello. Yesterday I made one video for you. So I got a lot of response from you guys regarding the checklist I made for our project. Actually, some of you asked for the how I did that, and so to explain it by sheet by sheet. So today I am here with one sheet where in the straight line you can get the change and offset with some interval, fixed interval. So I made this simple sheet for you. Can if you are working in a straight line, you can use this one. Here you have to input only the changes of the start and end changes of the straight line, sting nothing, and the offset you want either of left side or right side, the offset coordinate, or you can put it 0 center line, and the interval and how many interval you want the coordinates. Let's see. So for that I have already some changes and coordinates here. I'll paste it. And offset, you can say I'm putting 2.5 interval, 5 meter interval. So now you are getting the coordinates starting from this chain is, and in 2 point, the offset is interval is 5 meter, so it's going till the end chain is. If there is something wrong with that one, if I put instead of 70, 71, you are getting a warning. Warning, your input data is wrong. Check it again, please. So you have some wrong data. That's why it is asking you to change. If you put some wrong coordinates also, here it will also ask you to enter data. So you have to is make sure that you are putting the right coordinates of your project. Okay, I hope guys like this video and you will use this if this will be useful for you.